all are good. We are here for grade 1 math. So you can find all the lessons on aplustudents.com usually, right? But for today the website is down. So we're going to start with the grade 1 math. The lesson we're going to cover today are place values. So for today and for next 72 hours, aplustudents.com aplustudents.com is down. There is some update that is going live on the website, right? So the website is down today. We're going to start with the lesson place values. I'm going to write down the examples on the board and we'll do the examples, right? So please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well, right? So let's just start with the lesson place values. So first we are going to learn the place value chart, right? So what is the place value chart and how why we use the place value chart, right? So let's just start with an example. Just 1 minute. Okay. Okay, so first we are going to start with the lesson. Write numbers and tens and ones. We're going to learn how do we write the numbers as 10 and 1. So let's just start with the lesson, that is write numbers as tens and ones, right? We are going to learn how do we write numbers at 10 and 1, right? For example, you are given 6 tens plus 6 ones. You have to find, you have to see what number together they make when you have 6 tens and 6 ones. So which is the correct option? 6 tens and 6 1. The rightmost digit is, when just look at the place value chart, the rightmost digit is always the digit that is at the ones position, right? So you have 6 ones and 6 tens, so together they make the digit 66, right? The correct option is 66. Okay, the next one is two tens and 7 ones. So which digit they make? Two tens and 7 ones, right? You have the rightmost digit is always the digit that is at the ones position. So you have 7 here, and then you have the tens digit. There you have two. So which digit they make? The correct option is yes. The together they make the digit that is 27, right? 7 is the rightmost digit, and then you have two. So together they make 27. Very good. Okay. The next one is four tens and 9 ones. So which digit they? Four tens and 9 ones. So which is the digit? Four tens and 9 ones together they make 49. Yes, the correct option is 49. Very good. Okay, the next one is five tens and 3 ones. So which digit they make? You have to keep the place value chart in your mind. When you're working on the two digit numbers, the rightmost digit is the digit that is always at the ones position. The next one is at the tens position, right? So 3 is at the ones and 5 is at the tens. So together they make the digit. Very good. That is 53. The correct option is 53. So the correct option is 53. Okay, the next example is two tens and 3 ones. So which is the correct option? Two tens and 3 ones. Which digit they make? Very good. The correct option is 23. The digit they make is 23. Okay, the next one is five tens. So which number they make? You are just given five tens. You are given no ones, right? So when you have the question like this, when you are given no ones, that means you cannot write any digit without the ones digit, right? The rightmost digit is always the ones digit. So that means the ones digit is zero, and the five is the digit that is at the tens position. Basically, these words tens and ones, they tells you where you have to with the position of these digits, right? So ones tells you this three is at the ones position, and five tens means five is at the tens position. So that is 50. We are doing the practice questions. Website is down today, so I'm going to write the questions on the board. These are the questions we are doing. The website is down for the next 72 hours. So these are the questions we are doing, right? Okay, the next example is five tens and seven ones. These are the questions we are doing. Five tens plus seven ones. So which is the correct option? The correct option is 57, right? The digit they make is 57, right? Five tens and seven ones makes 57. Okay, the next one is nine tens. So, which is the which digit they make? Again, you are not given with ones, right? So that means the ones digit is zero, and the tens digit is nine. So together they make 90 or Got it? The correct option is 90. So together they make the digit that is 90, right? Okay, now we are going to learn how do we convert between tens and ones, right? Now we're going to learn how do we convert between tens and ones. You are given 8 tens. You have how many ones are there in 8 tens, right? So you have to see how many ones of 8 tens, right? 8 tens means 80, right? 8 tens, that means 80. That means you can make 80 ones. The correct option is 80 ones, right? The correct option is 80 ones. Got it? 8 tens means 80, and when you have 80, that means you have 80 ones. Got it? Okay, the next one is 3 tens. So, how many ones do we have in 3 tens? Which digit 3 tens make? 3 tens means 30. So, how many ones do we have? We have then 30 ones. The correct option is 30 ones. Okay, now you are given the ones. You have to see how many tens do we have, right? We are given 90 ones. So if you are given 90 ones, how many tens do we have? What is not right? Many. What's not right? 90 ones means you have 90, right? So how many tens? You have to see the digit that is at its tens position. 0, 1s, and 9 tens, right? 9 is at its tens position. So that means you have 9 tens. Got it? that means you have 9 tens. Okay. Okay. The next example is 6 tens equal how many ones? Which is the correct option? The correct option is 60 ones. It is the correct option is 60 ones, right? The next one is 7 tens. How many ones do we have? The correct option is very good. That's 70 ones. The correct option is 70 ones, right? Okay, now the next one you are given the ones, you have to find how many tens do we have, right? So 20 ones, you have to find how many tens we are given. So which is the correct option? 20 ones, right? That means the number is 20. So which digit is at the tens position? Two tens. The correct option is two, right? 20 ones means you have two tens. The correct option is two tens, right? Okay, 8 tens equal how many ones? 8 tens means how many ones? 80 ones. The correct option is 80 ones. Okay, write numbers as, now we're going to learn how do we write numbers as tens and ones, right? So for example, you are given a number 12, right? How do you write the 12 as tens and ones? You need to make the place value chart, right? The rightmost digit is at that digit that is at the ones position, and the next is at the tens, right? So you have one tens and two ones. That's how we write the numbers as tens and ones. So you have one tens and two ones. Got it? The correct option is one tens and two ones. Okay, the next one is 11. How do we write it as tens and ones? How do we write it as tens and ones? You have one ones and one tens. So you can write one tens and one ones. The correct option is one tens and one ones. Got it? You have to write them as tens and ones, right? The next one is 34. How do you write 34 as tens and ones? Which is the correct option? Yes, we have three tens and four ones because four is at the ones position. So you have three tens plus four ones, right? Four is at the ones position and three is at the tens position, right? The next one you have 24. How do you write 24 as tens and ones? The correct option is four ones, two tens plus four ones. The correct option is two tens plus four ones. The next one is 13 and 31. What is the difference between 13 and 31? In 13, you have one tens and three ones, and in 31, you have three tens and one ones. That is the difference of tens and ones, and that is a very big difference, right? Okay, the next one is 43. How do we write 43 as tens and ones? that is 4 tens and 3 ones. The correct option is 4 tens and 3 ones. The next one is 21. How do you write 21 as tens and ones? The correct option is 2 tens plus 1 ones, right? The correct option is 2 tens plus 1 ones, right? Okay, so we were working on grade 1 math. The chapter we were working on is place values, and we have learned today how do we write a number when we are given the digit in the form of tens and ones. Then we have understand the place value charts, and the one we just finished is how do we convert from tens and ones to a number, right? So that's all for today. If you have any questions related to the lessons we have just covered, you can please ask. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. One more thing, the website is fixed now. You can do the practice questions from the website, right? So please ask questions if you have any related to the lessons we have just covered. Any questions you can please ask. No questions? Okay, that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye everyone.